interesting. Okay. So hi Rahul, how are you?
I'm fine, brother. And you?
Yeah, I'm also doing great. Good morning, by the way.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. What are you doing right now?
Yeah, right now, brother, I'm a free, so I thought just spend with a stranger, talk about more because this is my like daily routine. So I'm on my way. Yeah. So please tell me when I met last time, maybe 6 months ago, that moment you were energetic person and you were trying to learn a English language, and that moment
Yes.
to still please tell me your journey, how's going, are you feeling happy, are you enjoying your communication skill, are you practicing regular basis or not?
Yes. Yes. Actually, there is a thing. It's been long time when I called you and I talk about my journey. That how was that time. And right now, I am very happy to meet you. It's my third time, maybe. And
Yeah.
everything is going well. And I am doing my. I am trying to learn more because it is very popular and very uh, it is very great thing for learning a new skill.
Okay, that's great. This is interesting, brother. So did you feel did you feel yourself like I'm feeling to change about my vocabulary, my English language, or did you feel like it's changeable for me? That moment you still not, if I talk about in this time, like did you feel
Yes,
it's changeable for me, when I was beginner, that moment I feel to hesitation, nervous and low confidence, and right now I'm able to talk in front of people without hesitation, without nervousness. So is it changeable, is it changing?
yes. I can say to you that everything is well before that was before. Actually,
Okay.
my English is not enough for what I say.
Yeah, your English
Sorry.
is not working proper. If you talk about
Yes, yes.
my point of view, it's not working. Okay.
Yes, yes. Because it was a long time when I tried to learn English grammar. I have learned a lot of rule of English grammar, but I haven't tried so far that how to talk with other people because no one meet us to talk with them. That's why I get stuck when I talk with other people, and most of the time a little bit fear in our heart. That's why we are not comfortable while speaking with other people, and that
Yeah,
are
right.
these things.
Okay, yeah, it's happened with everyone, brother. For example, if I try to tell you I'm going to learn a new skill about any like study purpose, anything. If I am going to learn a new skill, and I feel too stuck about like how can I do, and I'm getting a too much problem. So we try to find a partner. We try to find a partner about whoever great knowledge. And that moment, if we do not get proper partner, then we feel too uncomfortable, we try to irritate ourselves. It's happened because that moment, brother, like no anyone help. But
Yes,
one thing I'm going to tell you, if you try to work yourself, if you try to practice more, if you try to do hard work yourself, then after that, if you get a little bit knowledge, and if you get a little bit like master on your topic, on yourself, automatically you will get a partner also, brother. Automatically you will get a partner. It's
yes,
beginning point, brother, beginning point we do not find proper, but whenever you intermediate, automatic people try to connect, automatic people try to suggest solve this problem,
yes,
talk like that. This is reality, brother, this is reality. So you have to work yourself. Just think about like in my surrounding, no anyone here, I'm alone here. Just think about one thing, brother, do you know marathon? Do you know marathon? Do you know marathon?
maybe a little bit,
People
little bit.
people are participating over there. They try to running one place to other place, and whoever
Yes,
come to first, so those people get a trophy and awarded, and some kind of we can say like feeling to happy over there. So whenever people try to participate in a marathon, okay, So everyone participated like own self, brother. They are beginner, they are stranger with someone. They don't know who you are, and you don't know who am I. So we can say marathon means like this is your aim. You are alone over there, no anyone going to help. And whenever victory, whenever you won a match, whenever you reach your destination, like first prize, second prize, third prize, whatever, you know if you are first person, then you can get awarded like yourself, we can say, brother. So over there you could not share your trophy, your whatever you achievement, because you participate alone. This is your own journey, this is your own life, brother.
Yes,
And
yes, yes.
whenever you get a success, okay, so you never share your success with someone, because always goal is like personal, brother. So
Yes,
just
yes.
think about like I'm alone here, no anyone going to help, and accept your point like I want to improve myself alone, I want to work alone here, I can do it. Always motivate yourself, brother. Always motivate. See, if
Yes,
you
yes.
think about like I'm trying to find a partner. I'm not getting. And you depend on your front of people. Like if someone help me, then I will do. If someone help me, then I will do. So it's not going to happen, brother. No anyone come your place and talk about I'm going to help you. No anyone come. In this day, brother, everyone's selfish. This is reality, brother. Everyone's selfish. Because
Yes,
see, this is reality. Like I'm looking, I'm trying to my own career. So definitely I will work myself, I will do hard work. So same thing, brother, like if you have any desire, any dreams, any goal, you have to work yourself, you have to pursue your goal.
yes,
So
yes, yes.
don't think
It's
about
so true.
like if someone help me, then I will do. No, avoid the people. Don't depend anyone, brother. Don't depend anyone.
Yes,
Your goal is personal, then you have to work yourself, you have to believe yourself, you have to struggle yourself, brother.
yes, yes, yes.
Just
So,
accept this
brother,
thing.
I want to ask a question that how do you learn English? So what do you do for learning? Actually, I can see here behind you there is a book that's name is Word Power Made Easy.
Uh,
Behind
I'm
you.
going to I'm going to show all a book. Just wait and watch.
Yes, yes, yes. And oh,
See, brother, I have
there are so
two.
many books.
I know I have a lots of books here, but if you talk
Yes,
about something like, did you read all books? So my answer will be no, brother. I hate a reading part. It's a long time ago. I was excited to reading, and I read some books, but not whole book, not a whole book, brother.
yes, yes,
This day, I don't know why I'm feeling too much bored, brother. Like whenever I try to open a book and I try to read a one paragraph, I feel too much bored. Seriously, I don't know why happened with me. What is the reason? I have a lots of book. Even like if I try to show, see, you can see in here. It's a nicely book I have, brother. Like you can see, you know, this one. What power made easy? What power made easy? Second one,
yes.
like these things we can say.
It is not showing me. It is not
Yeah.
showing me. I am not able to see.
Okay, just wait. Mike Gill likes all of the party. Did you
Yes,
see?
yes, 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 yes.
See, so I have lots
I
of
can
books
see.
collection, but I didn't try to read because I feel too bored. And if I tell you, when I was beginner, that moment I was energetic. I was hungry to reading because I was trying to learn, and I read a lots of books, we can say, about many things. But what happened that moment? I was reading, but I wasn't understanding. Then people suggest me something like you have to accept a book, you have to try to make a friendship with book, and whenever you read a book you will get a more knowledge, more fluency, more vocabulary, story, everything. That was right, whoever suggests me, they were right. But if I tell you, brother, like reading part, so I have a lack of reading skill, brother. I have a lack of reading skill. I
Yes,
could not try to concentrate like while reading, brother. I don't know. I'm trying. I'm trying to, make a friend with book, but it's couldn't happen with me. I'm feeling too unhappy, brother. I don't know why. So, do you have any idea, brother, how to make a friendship with book? How to concentrate a book or reading? Do you have any idea? So, please share with me. Yeah, tell me.
actually, I want to say to you that there is nothing by myself, because I am also like you. When I also actually I have purchased a book, and that name is a Spoken English Guru. Maybe you watched that video. Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
yeah,
It
yeah.
is it is kept in my room. So I am not. I do not read it a lot, because whenever I visit to read it, then I get bored. That's why I am also do not read it. And I
One,
eh,
one thing I'm going to tell you, brother. Like reading, we can say it's like theoretical part, theory part, brother. And no anyone like to read a theory. Everyone try to do practical. Like you have a great book, we can say spoken English group, and over
yes,
there everything writer mention that like grammar and some tenses and some like vocabulary, some we can say conversation, and lots of example, lots of idiom
and and
phrases, everything
and brother,
mentioned.
yes, yes. And brother, I want to share with you one thing, that when I watch some video of any English grammar rule, so we watch it very confidently, and very I take much interested. But while we open our book and read some grammar of rule of grammar, then we don't like it. I don't know why.
Yeah, because what happened, yeah, before I told you, like reading skill, we can say theory part, brother, and we do not concentrate. But if you talk about watching part and practice part, like if you try to watch a video, definitely your mind will working 100%, but because you prefer to watching, and you do not feel to bore that moment. But if you talk about reading skill, if you try to open a book and learn, same thing, brother, whatever you are watching, and that same thing, like if you try to read in your book section, feel too bored, because it's a like human being, brother. Easily already we decided, already we think about our mind like it's difficult for me, it's I will never understand, I couldn't understand. And if you talk about watching part, like same thing about grammar, we can concentrate, we try to watch a whole video, then we will
Yes,
learn something. So
yes,
always believe that I'm not talking about like reading, just avoid it reading part. I'm talking about like if you like reading, then you can read. If you like watching part, then you can watch more, try to read more, depend on you, brother. How do you learn yours, and which, so depend on your mood, depend on yourself, like which way you prefer to concentrately about learning. I mean, if I
yes,
tell you, brother, in a foreign country, like everywhere, we can say out of country, over there also people are staying and they are in literature person, they didn't get a well education, they can't read a books also, but still they can understand, they can, do you know,
yeah,
brother?
yes, yes, yes,
Same, same thing also, brother, like it's not important to reading. I'm not talking about like it's not important, reading part is very important if you want to, but when, if you passionate to reading, otherwise if I try to push yourself like just go read, it's not going to happen, it's not going to work proper yourself.
yes, yes, yes,
So before I told you, depend on your mood, depend on yourself, like do you read a books or not, you know But
yes,
one thing
yes,
I'm going
yes.
to tell you, brother, books always give a more knowledge, more information, and you can make a you will you can learn something from book, brother. So if
Yes, yes,
possible, then try to make a friendship with book. Seriously, it's going to
yes, yes.
your
And
life will change.
and and brother, when we open any book, and most of the time when we talk with other people, and most of the time a lot of word doesn't can come in our mind. So it is the problem of our vocabulary. That's I want to say to you that if we read a lot of vocabulary, then it will help us to speaking a lot, because we know a lot of rule of English grammar, but sometimes most of the word doesn't come in our mind. That's why we get stuck. So we should learn a lot of vocabulary. Is it okay to or not?
Because brother, without vocabulary, it's not possible to conversation. It's not possible to speak a English language. So vocabulary is very important. Like native tutor, they can speak a regular basis like 10,000 word, 10,000 vocabulary regular basis. They try to use a new word regular basis. We could not count a word how they speak. How many words they try to use a daily routine, we can say. So same thing in here. Like if we want to improve our communication, then we have to use a more words. Whenever we use a more words, we will clarify, brother. We will clarify, we will understand, we can make a long conversation, we can improve English language. So vocabulary is very very important. How do we learn? Whenever you get a new word, whenever you feel to like this is new word for me, immediately try to write down in your diary, and try to write down, google it, what do you mean by, what is the meaning of, what is the definition, with picture, brother, with picture. And try to use your personal life, try to use your daily routine life. Definitely this word will never forget in your life, you can remember forever.
Yes,
So
yes.
vocabulary
And
is very, yeah.
yes, yes. And brother, I want to share with all your subscriber that if they want to learn English properly with English grammar, then they need to select a channel that name is Spoken English Guru, because with it I have learned a lot. I have learned a lot. It is very fantastic channel, and that sir is very great. He has a very knowledgeable person. He is a
Yeah.
very knowledgeable person.
Yes, yes, yes.
So
Even
what do you want to say on it? What do you want to say on it? It is okay or not according to you?
it's perfectly, brother, whoever learning English language. So even I also recommended like that kind of channel, like English spoken classes. It's amazing. I saw his a video. It's amazing, man. He always tried to clarify small thing, like about grammar, about new word, about vocabulary, about conversation, everything. He tried to teach in deeply, brother. So
Yes,
it's
yes,
going to help whoever listening, whoever watching our video. So always I recommend you just visit his YouTube channel and search out video. Definitely you will learn many things.
yes, yes, yes,
If you beginner, definitely you
yes,
will
yes,
get the idea how to improve this all stuff, we can say.
yes,
So
yes, yes.
anyway, brother, it was amazing conversation, and I hope so you will get good job earlier, and your life will going to fantastic. Just do hard work, believe yourself, and keep going, keep learning. Okay.
Yes, yes, yes. And thanks to meeting you. I am very happy to meet you again.
Okay, it's my pleasure, brother,
Thank
it's my pleasure. Always I'm here for you. Okay, so whenever
you. Yes, yes,
you get any new thing, please try to connect with me. We will
yes,
again
yes,
discuss. Oh, that was amazing. And
yes, yes, yes,
have a brother, have a nice day. Okay,
yes, yes. Thanks for meeting me.
thank you, bye bye.